Hi everyone and welcome along. Today is the letter Y and our alphabet features today the flower called Yarrow, and we're going to do Yarrow cloth of gold for some wonderful golden flowers. So grab your paints and let's get started. So painting Yarrow, we're going to do the cloth of gold variety, and I've seen it in fields and it's absolutely amazing. So I'm excited to paint. I'm always excited to paint flowers, but I'm excited to paint ones that I know and recognise as well. So I think we'll just do 3 like that. And in terms of the shape, it's not dissimilar to Queen Anne's lace, but it's like an amazing fluffy cloud. And we'll have this one like that, and then I think we'll do one that we can see a bit more underneath it, and we'll have that one coming in just in behind. Right, we need a lovely sunny yellow, and we've got Hansa yellow medium, so that's pretty perfect. But first, roll, roll. Especially, sorry, brush in my mouth again, especially for something with such a pale colour as yellow. So you really want to emphasise the sort of fluffy texture. So I can hear Crumble barking outside. 1 second. You might be able to hear him too. Okay, we'll let that dry. At least Crumble times his barks with useful drying times. So I'm now going to get a sort of, I want to get a shadowy colour for this yellow, but it still needs to look very yellow. So I'm just trying some raw sienna and maybe a little bit of moon glow. Yeah, that's the one. Just want a slightly deeper colour. And so this is still a little damp. And I'm just going to dab in this colour sort of around the side and lower level. Clean off my brush a little. So it's got a very lovely textured appearance. And then, this is a little test, I don't know if this will work exactly, but if I get some lemon yellow, I was just going to see if I could sort of contrast it with some dots from that side, but I don't think that's probably when you want some, oh actually this is quite nice, just sort of meeting the two together. That's cool. Okay, happy with that. Now we need a nice fresh green. So here comes the green gold, possibly the hardest working colour in this alphabet, closely followed by sap green. Just a little bit of sap green in there. Lovely. And we've got nice long straight stems for our yarrow. And then if you see underneath, you're going to see a few of these branches. They do have some little leaves on them that are quite sweet. They're quite similar to little ferns. Oh, I haven't painted a fern in a long time. I think I'm due a fern. I used to paint them all the time. And then we'll get some sap green, and particularly sort of up underneath here where we want it to sort of act like a shadow. And there we have a really nice cloth of gold. The one thing we can do is maybe just add in a bit of Payne's grey to this sort of golden mix, and then just take a little bit of that to just add one more layer of shadow. And there is our Yarrow, and we're going to paint the Y in buff titanium. And we are oh so close to the end of our floral alphabet. And there is our Yarrow for Y. I really enjoyed painting that one, and it's just nice to see we're getting a really lovely assortment of colours going on. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't believe we are basically coming to the end of this alphabet. We've just got one letter left. What on earth are we going to paint for Z? I will see you next time. Bye!